With Giftship, shipping to multiple addresses doesn't mean creating orders one by one. You build a simple spreadsheet, and each row becomes its own order. Let's walk through how it works. Head to the Giftship dashboard and click Create Order to open the bulk order spreadsheet. There are two ways to add your addresses. Click Actions to upload a spreadsheet. Or click the customer icon to search for a customer and pull in their saved addresses from their past orders. For this demo, let's search for a customer. Once you've found your customer, click Confirm. Click into the first name cell and select one of their saved addresses. Keep in mind, each row is its own order, so repeat this for every recipient. Now click the first product cell. Search for the products and variants, set the quantities, and click Next. The spreadsheet works just like any other. Copy the product cell and paste it down the rows. You can always go back and customize the products for any individual recipient. To add additional details to the order, like a gift message or delivery date, click the first Additional Details cell. Any cart options you've configured in Giftship, like a gift message or delivery date, will be selectable here. Fill in the values and click Submit. Copy and paste those details across your rows. You can customize the additional details for each recipient. Scroll right to see shipping rates. Giftship pulls the available rates from Shopify for each address and product. The lowest rate is selected by default, but you can choose a different one for any recipient. Once everything looks good, click Next. Review the order summary, then click Create Order to generate the draft in Shopify. Giftship will now calculate taxes for each address. This can take a minute, so just hang tight. From here, send the invoice directly from Giftship, or open the draft in Shopify and mark it as paid, just like any other draft order. Whether the order came from the dashboard or your storefront, the process is always the same. Giftship creates a parent draft order with placeholder products. Once it's paid, that order gets canceled and archived, and Giftship generates a separate order for every recipient with the actual inventory. Each one fulfills like a normal single address order, and they all link back to the parent. And that's it. A multi-address order done in minutes, not hours. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.